That's a real thing, Jenny. I definitely understand where you're coming from, and kudos to you as well for putting yourself out there. What you do every week, with making these calls is not easy. You know, people may think it's easy, but when you actually get on there and you got people listening to you and people who are making their analysis on their own based off of you, and some of the ideas that you bring on, it takes a lot of courage. So we definitely appreciate you for that. And as far as the EAs or any sort of investing go, that's sort of the thing that I think everyone personally has to deal with and get in. Yeah, like sometimes you may have your trust in the person who's making these calls or is using this particular product. You have the opportunity to learn from that lesson if it didn't work out in your favor, and then build again and try again. And if you, as long as you don't over leverage in those things, and hopefully people do recognize that, and just take the marathon approach, they'll see gains over time, because again, you're trying to beat Wall Street, and you're not trying to become a millionaire overnight, but you're trying to gradually just compound little by little, till eventually that little becomes a lot.